The secret to perfect Chantilly cream frosting: light, airy, and irresistible. Want to elevate your desserts with a cloud-like frosting that's both simple and elegant? Then you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of Chantilly cream frosting, revealing the secrets to achieving that perfect light and airy texture every single time. Chantilly cream frosting is a sweetened whipped cream, often infused with the delicate flavor of vanilla. It's known for its light, airy texture, making it a fantastic alternative to heavier frostings. Think of it as a cloud of sweetness that perfectly complements a wide array of desserts. Essentially, Chantilly cream, or crème chantilly, is just sweetened whipped cream taken to the next level. The addition of sugar and vanilla transforms ordinary whipped cream into something truly special. Its origins are rooted in France, named after the Château de Chantilly, adding a touch of history to every bite. The beauty of Chantilly cream lies in its lightness. It provides a wonderful contrast to richer desserts, balancing flavors and preventing that overly sweet sensation. It's the perfect finishing touch for cakes, pastries, and even fresh fruit. Before we get started, let's gather the tools you'll need. Having the right equipment will make the process smoother and ensure the best results. Don't worry, it's all pretty standard baking gear. You'll need a mixing bowl, preferably chilled for optimal whipping. An electric mixer, either hand or stand mixer with a whisk attachment, is essential. Measuring cups and spoons for accurate ingredient measurements are also needed. Finally, a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Ready to make some magic? This recipe is foolproof and will guide you to creating the perfect Chantilly cream frosting. Follow these simple steps and prepare to be amazed by the results. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup, 240 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons, 16 grams of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. This recipe takes only about 10 minutes to prepare and yields approximately 2 cups of delicious frosting. First, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. This is a crucial step as cold equipment helps the cream whip more efficiently. Next, pour the heavy whipping cream into the chilled bowl. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract to the cream. Now, using your electric mixer on medium speed, begin whipping the mixture. As it starts to thicken, increase the speed to medium-high. Continue whipping until soft peaks form. This means the cream holds its shape, but the peaks curl over when the beaters are lifted. Be cautious not to over-whip, as this can lead to a grainy texture or even butter formation. The goal is a smooth, fluffy consistency. Chantilly cream is best used right after preparation. If you need to store it, keep it refrigerated and use within 24 hours for optimal texture. For those who are curious about the nutritional content, here's a quick breakdown. Keep in mind that these are approximate values and can vary based on the specific ingredients you use. Per tablespoon, Chantilly cream contains approximately 52 calories, 5.5 grams of total fat, 3.5 grams saturated fat, 22 milligrams of cholesterol, 5 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of total carbohydrates, 1 gram sugars, and 0 grams of protein. Enjoy in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Want to take your Chantilly cream to the next level? Here are a few extra tips to ensure success every time. These simple tricks can make a big difference in the final product. Always use well-chilled, heavy whipping cream. Cold cream whips more efficiently and yields better volume. Avoid overwhipping at all costs. Stop whipping once soft peaks form to prevent a grainy texture. Get creative with flavor variations by adding different extracts such as almond or citrus to complement your dessert. If you need the Chantilly cream to hold its shape longer, consider adding a stabilizer like a small amount of gelatin or using a cream stabilizer product. Chantilly cream's light and fluffy texture makes it incredibly versatile. It's suitable for a wide range of desserts, from simple to elaborate. Let's explore some of the delicious possibilities. Use it as a frosting or filling for sponge cakes, layer cakes, or cupcakes. Serve it alongside berries, peaches, or other fresh fruits for a simple yet elegant dessert. Fill cream puffs, eclairs, or tarts with Chantilly cream for a classic touch. Top hot chocolate, coffee, or milkshakes with a dollop of Chantilly cream for added indulgence. The possibilities are truly endless. Chantilly cream frosting is a simple yet sophisticated addition to your home baking repertoire. Its ease of preparation and versatility make it a go-to choice for elevating everyday desserts into something special. Ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound Chantilly cream skills? Try this recipe today and experience the magic for yourself. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using #ChantillyCreamMagic. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite way to use Chantilly cream. Happy baking!